everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be introducing you to one of the most creative and inspiring people in my life, Mr. Kate. So let's head inside. This is Kate of Mr. Kate.
Yes.
And you pretty much do everything. You design, you're a blogger, interior design, and now you're an author. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. But I actually started out as a metalsmith.
Oh,
so
what?
Oh
my God.
Guys, I feel like there's a lot of people out there that are like this. I started out with like an Etsy store and now have like a brand built around, you know, the products and jewelry, but then also the other stuff that we do is like content and video and all that stuff.
Totally. And I just like love how your pieces are just so whimsical and very you. I would love to just add some accessories to give my outfit a little bit more personality.
Perfect. All right, so let's crack this open and get in there.
Ooh, this is cool too.
Oh yeah, oh my God, you need to put that on. There we go. Yay!
Oh, nice.
Okay, wait.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
No, you're good, you're good.
Okay.
Wait, so what about this? How about like a long sit?
Oh yes,
like if we're layering and it's silver.
Oh, that works. This works.
Look how cute!
All right, okay.
So let's get these on you, and then let's take some like street style pics. Lens flare, yes, yes, yes!
So now we're gonna do a fun little DIY, right?
Yes, we love DIYs at Mr. Kate. That's a big part of our brand too. Of course, the book.
Oh, Hot Glue Mess.
Yes.
Ta-da!
Hot Glue Mess. It had to have a ton of DIY projects. So there's 50 DIY projects in the book.
Wow.
Pretty and prickly. And we're gonna give these cactuses, I guess there's some succulents in here too.
Cute. Yeah,
we're gonna give them some bling. All right,
no.
ready?
Ah!
Yay!
Wow.
So let's add a little bling to the cactus.
It's too bare.
So this is a great way to upcycle the earrings that maybe you only have one of. I'll tell you one of. Oh, there you go.
Oh, cool.
So you just kind of pierce it, and the cactus will kind of grow around the post, and it'll just wear the jewelry for forever, and you'll have a pretty and prickly little friend.
Oh, cute.
Yay! Look!
Oh
my God,
it belongs there. It looks so perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for letting us come into your space.
Oh my gosh, of
Jewelry,
course.
DIY, photos outside, we did everything today.
We did.
Yeah.
Wham bam.
And make sure you grab a copy of Kate's book. It's amazing.
And if you guys like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to Refinery29.
And I'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.